Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could enhance your driving experience, the Escort Redline 360c laser radar detector and M2 dashcam bundle. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Escort Redline 360c and M2 dashcam bundle? This powerful duo combines a top-tier radar detector with a high-definition dashcam, offering you both radar protection and video documentation for your drives. With the Redline 360c, you get a reliable radar detector that boasts extreme range and accuracy, while the M2 dashcam captures your journey in stunning Full HD 1080p. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this bundle. First up, the AI-assisted filtering in the Redline 360c is designed to minimize false alerts, which can be a common annoyance with many radar detectors. It utilizes GPS AutoLearn, an updatable IVT filter, and connects to the Escort Live network, ensuring that you're only alerted to genuine threats on the road. This feature is a game-changer for anyone who values peace of mind while driving. Next, the 360-degree protection offered by the Redline 360c ensures that you have complete awareness of your surroundings. With tele-GPS technology, it provides location accuracy within 2.5 meters, and its advanced stealth technology makes you nearly invisible to radar detection. This means you can drive with confidence, knowing that you are well protected from speed traps and other radar-based enforcement. On the dashcam side, the M2 delivers full HD video resolution, allowing you to capture every detail of your drive, whether it's bright daylight or nighttime conditions. The dashcam is optimized for clarity in various lighting situations, and it features built-in GPS to log your speed and location alongside your footage. This is particularly useful in the event of an accident, as you'll have both video evidence and data to support your case. Another practical feature is the dashcam's parking mode, which requires a hardwire connection. This mode automatically saves footage if your vehicle is bumped or involved in a collision while parked. Imagine having that extra layer of security when you leave your car unattended. The Escort Redline 360c and M2 dashcam bundle is ideal for a wide range of drivers. Whether you're a daily commuter, a long-distance traveler, or someone who frequently drives in areas with heavy traffic enforcement, this bundle provides the tools you need to stay informed and secure on the road. The exclusive Shared Alerts feature allows you to connect with the Drive Smarter community, receiving live updates from other drivers about road conditions and potential hazards. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means you can view your alerts and navigate your route right from your vehicle's display, making it an excellent choice for tech-savvy drivers who appreciate seamless integration. In summary, the Escort Redline 360c laser radar detector and M2 dashcam bundle is a comprehensive driving companion that prioritizes safety and awareness. From its powerful radar detection capabilities to its high-definition video recording, this bundle is designed to give you peace of mind every time you hit the road. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.